Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in on my channel. It's been a while since we talk about luxury items in this channel, so today is the day we finally come back to our original route. And I think today we're gonna talk about my first purchases from different luxury brands, because I got a few different questions whether I still have this bag that I reviewed a while back, or if I still have this bag or this wallet or this and that, and whether I still like them. So I think this video will answer some of your guys' questions. And again, if you still have questions whether any of the items that I mentioned or in the past video, please leave it in the comment down below. I might address it in the next video. So without further ado, if you want to know about my first purchases and whether I still like them or I still own them, then keep on watching. So if you've been following me for quite a while, you know that the video that was kinda the first video that kinda make it or break it for my channel was my Louis Vuitton, my LV got stolen. And it was, I think it was about maybe 3 years ago, or maybe about 3 years ago. It's been a while. It's my first ever luxury purchase, luxury gift for myself. I never had anything from Louis Vuitton, from any other luxury brand, so this is really the first luxury item that I own, and I ordered it online and it ended up missing. So if you want to know more, I'm gonna link the video down below, and it's gonna be in the card somewhere. But it was a traumatic experience. But to answer the questions whether I still have it or not, I still have it. It's in the different box. I still have the original box though. But so it is the Louis Vuitton Emily wallet in the monogram in this fuchsia lining. It's still, I feel like this is still in a close to perfect condition, because to answer the second question, if I still wear it or not, I really don't, because I haven't really used any of my wallets for a long time. I haven't been using wallet period, because I've been just using card holders. If you've been watching my videos, you know this. But basically I haven't used this, so it is still in a perfect condition, and it opens like so. It has about 4 card slots in the front. It has quite a spacey compartments, like slip pockets there, and then one zippered compartment, and it fits my phone. This is still an iPhone 7, so it fits perfectly. So if you want to use it as a clutch, you can definitely do that. And yeah, it is such a great wallet, and I feel like I should use this. It occurred to me to just sell this, because I got this, I think it was about $500 like several years ago. I don't know how much this costs right now, but it occurred to me to sell it because it is such still in a close to perfect condition, if I have to say so myself. It doesn't have any monogram or hot stamp or whatever. Everything is still pristine, and it is also made in France, which is quite rare. If you buy it in the US, you don't always get things made in France. It just makes it even more special, because Louis Vuitton is from France. But I haven't sold it yet, because it has that, I guess, sentimental value. This is how I started my channel, and yeah, I don't know, let me know what you guys think. If you have this wallet, let me know if you guys like this wallet or any other wallet that you want to recommend. Please leave it in the comment down below, because it's been a while since I used wallets. So that's my first purchase from Louis Vuitton. The second purchase is from a brand called Saint Laurent, YSL, however you pronounce it. I'm sorry if I butchered the pronunciation, but this is the second luxury item ever that I own, that my then boyfriend, now husband, bought me. I still remember that day that he told me, you deserve it and I want to buy this for you. And I knew of this bag from a blog called Extra Petite. I know some of you might have heard about Jean Wang from extrapetite.com. I love her, I adore her style, and I saw this on her blog, and ever since then I was really I don't know, I was in love with that bag, with the color and everything. So it is the YSL wallet on chain in this dusty pink color. And I've got so many questions about this, and I feel like for a while it was discontinued with the combination, the pink and the gold hardware, but I feel like they have come back, because before it was silver, but now they have the gold and the pink again. But I'm gonna try to find it online and link it down below. And I have to say though, this bag it's just still in a perfect condition. It's not only close to perfect, but perfect, because I've been using this in the past. I know that I say that I use this bag for special occasions only, but I have used it several times, not on special occasion, just for a weekend. It is a very structured, rigid bag, and I still like it. And it has a lot of compartment. It has a lot of credit card slots, but I don't really use them because I have my own card holders, and has separate compartment, and it comes in this beautiful gold chain. And I just love the contrast, and when I wear this with the gold chain across, it's just that accessory to my outfit. And if you don't want a chain, you can take it off, or even just tuck it inside the bag and use it as a clutch. So that's what I often do with this bag if I don't want to mess with the chain. But I still love this, and I still recommend this. I have the unboxing as well as the review video if you want to check it out. I'm gonna link everything that I mentioned down below. And yeah, I still love this one. The third item that I remember, this one is from Gucci. And the first item that I have from Gucci is the Gucci Soho disco bag. I think I have a review video. I have to dig back, but I think I have unboxing / review video of this bag, and I remember loving that bag so much that I wear it every single day. I brought it to me during my vacation to Asia, to Singapore, to Indonesia. I wear it my vacation here. I wear it wherever during the weekend, weekdays. And sadly, I don't have that bag anymore. And the reason why I sold it after about a year of owning it, and I think at that time I sold it because I wanted to have the money to buy something else. But I have to say though, I kind of regret my decision, because right now I kind of keep thinking to buy that Gucci Soho Disco again. And it's just such an easy bag, and it is a pebbled leather, and the shape is just like a camera bag, but it's a perfect size. It fits everything that I need to bring with me. It's just a perfect everyday bag. And yeah, I kind of regret my decision selling that bag. And the color, even though it's not really a neutral color, but throughout the year I was able to make it a neutral color for my outfit somehow. I make fuchsia neutral, and that's just what's amazing with that bag. And I kind of regret it. I might buy another Soho Disco in the future. So the next and final brand in this video is Chanel. And I have several first purchases from Chanel because I got them all throughout my trip to Italy last year. So I have a video for Italy luxury haul if you want to know what I bought when I went to Italy. But I have several purchases, so it's not only one. And I'm happy to say I still have them all, and I still love them all. So the first one that I own is this one. Is the Chanel wallet on chain in this gold hardware. It has that gold chain, and then the burgundy lining. It has that zippered pocket there, a zippered pocket here, and about 6 card slots, and you have slip compartment there. And I just love this because it is easy. It's not as rigid compared to the YSL one. It is smaller, but it has some more give to the leather. Like that, this is not a lambskin but caviar leather, so it is more durable than caviar leather. And whereas my second one, which I bought at the, well, I guess that's not at the same time, but I think the very next day. But anyway, I had a whole haul if you want to know. But the second one is this Chanel Square Mini in this, I'm not sure what the color is called. I wish that I have asked because I got a lot of questions about the details of this bag, but I'm gonna link it down below. I have a review video again with the bag for this bag, and also for the Chanel Vuitton chain. I have a comparison video, so if you want to check it out, feel free. It's gonna be linked down below. But I love this bag, and I wish I got another one in a black caviar leather just like this one, because I feel like with this one it's more fragile first and foremost, because it is lambskin and it is softer. I have used it for a while. It is still in a perfect condition, and I love the color, but I want to get another one in caviar leather in black, just because, so that, that's my phone, just so that I can wear it more, if you know what I mean. Yeah, but other than that, I just love this. I just love this, guys. Love this, love this, love this. This is my very treasured Chanel purchase, and yeah, I love this. And then the next 2 items that I also bought at the same time is these 2 card holders. They're both card holders. They both can hold a lot of cards. I have a comparison video of, for these 2 if you want to check it out. Again, link down below. But I love them. Right now I am currently using this. I love how the zipper is really smooth, and it fits a lot of cards, and it fits cash as well. And then with this one, it's just open up like so, and it also holds a lot of cards. So that's all my first purchases from different luxury brands. I hope you enjoy it. I hope that it can help you one way or another. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment down below. Before I say goodbye and see you in the next one, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Hey Amadea. And yeah, I see you in the next one. Bye bye.